materials are different. You're going to get different results. The thing about shrinking is that it can be really unpredictable. So you just want to keep that in mind so you're not disappointed if you don't get the results you want. Wool, for example, is the easiest thing in the world to shrink. It is amazing how much it'll shrink. But because it's so unpredictable, you don't really know what you're going to get. You could have an extra large shirt that can shrink down to the size of a 2-month-old. You could have an extra large shirt that, if you're medium sized, goes straight to medium. And that's awesome. You just don't know. There are so many different types of wool out there, different fibers, different qualities. Then when you have wool blends, it can be really tricky. But just wash it in hot water and then just dry it and see what you can get. A couple of tricks, you want to keep checking it with the dryer just to make sure it's not shrinking way past what you want. Might even be too late with the hot water, but give it a shot. And what you can also do is while it's still wet, if it has shrunk too much, try gently stretching it. Don't do it too hard or you're going to bake the fibers and get it misshapen, but try to do it, stretch it back out a little. It does have give.